In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Outlook 2026 search history. If your search bar keeps suggesting old terms or you just want a privacy reset, clearing your Outlook search history is quick and easy. I'll walk you through it on Outlook in your web browser, and I'll point out exactly where each option lives so you can follow along without second guessing. First, open Outlook in your browser and sign in so you're looking at your inbox. Once you're in, look to the top right for the gear icon. That's the settings menu. Click it to open the settings pane. If you see a compact panel, don't worry, you're in the right place. We're heading into the full settings area where all the categories are listed. Inside settings, find the general section. It usually appears in the left-hand list of categories. Select general to expand its options. From there, choose privacy and data. This is the area where Outlook groups controls related to how your data is stored and used, and it's where the search history option lives. On the Privacy and Data page, scroll until you find the Search History section. This section manages the recent terms Outlook remembers to make future searches faster. Clearing it removes those saved terms and the suggestions tied to them, but it won't delete any emails, contacts, or files. Only the history of what you've searched for. When you're ready, click Delete History. If a confirmation appears, confirm that you want to proceed. The deletion is usually instant. You may not see anything flashy happen, and that's okay. Behind the scenes, your saved search terms are being removed from your account's Outlook on the web experience. After you've cleared it, try clicking into the search bar. You should notice far fewer or no previous suggestions. If you still see an old suggestion linger, give the page a quick refresh and try again. Sometimes the change needs one new page load to fully register. And remember, the moment you start searching again, Outlook will begin building a fresh history to speed up future searches. So you can repeat this process anytime you want a clean slate. That's all there is to it. You opened settings, went to general, selected privacy and data, located search history, and clicked delete history. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps keep your searches tidy and your account a little more private.